If you need repair or maintenance for your home, you really have two problems. First, fixing whatever is broken, and second, trying to find someone to help at an affordable rate. You can spend hours playing phone tag and wasting time talking to people who want to charge you way too much for what you need. It's a huge headache. That's why you should use ChoreRelief, the home repair and maintenance app that makes things so much simpler. Find a qualified local pro to do the work within your budget, all at a safe social distance. You name your price, and ChoreRelief matches you with local service providers we've vetted in advance. All our pros arrive quickly, wear masks, and keep a safe distance from you and your family. While other home repair services hide their fees, you pay nothing to use the ChoreRelief app. We know how hard it is to find good help at a fair price. That's why we invented the ChoreRelief app, your 24/7 solution for home repairs at a price that works for you. Say goodbye to your home repair headaches and visit us today at chorerelief.com.